Hello students, let's see few pictures and meanings explained through the pictures from chapter number 10, The Emperor and the Nightingale. So students, turn to page number 124, first para. So our first word is lofty. So lofty means very high. Turn to page number 125, third para. So our next word is perch. So this means a place for a bird to sit. Now the sixth para. So our next word is artificial. So artificial means not real or man-made. From the same page, fifth para, first line. So our next word is decreed. So decreed means ordered. From the same para, the next word is liberty. So liberty means freedom. So students, what you all have to do, read the chapter properly, underline the more new words and find out their meanings and try to use those words in your daily lives. Thank you students.